Class 9, Subject Math, Chapter 4, Exercise 4A. You have studied in previous class some questions related from this exercise 4A. Question number 5, solution. Question you have, if a plus b is equal to 7 and ab is equal to 10, find a minus b. According to formula, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. The value of a plus b is 7. In place of a plus b, write 7 having square on the 7 minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4 into 10. AB of value is 10 given in the question. 7 square means 7 into 7. You will get 49. And here 4 into 10, 40, change this side, minus 40, and minus a minus b whole square, change this side, minus change into plus a minus b whole square. Now you can write a minus b whole square is equal to 49 minus 40 is equal to 9. A minus b is equal to plus minus root over 9. Therefore, a minus b is equal to plus minus 3. This is answer of this question. Question number 9. If a minus b is equal to 4 and a plus b is equal to 6, find first number question a square plus b square. Second number question ab. Solution. You have given a minus b is equal to 4 and a plus b is equal to 6. According to formula, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Putting the value of a plus b, having here 6, in place of 6, a plus b is equal to 6 and raising power 2 minus a minus b, put the value 4. Whole square is equal to 4ab. 6 square means 6 into 6, 36, minus 4 into 4, 16, is equal to 4ab. 36 minus 16 is equal to 20, is equal to 4ab. Therefore, ab is equal to 20 by 4. 4 5 ja 20. Therefore, ab is equal to 5. This is answer of the question 9, sub question 2ab. Now, a minus b is equal to 4 you have given. On squaring both sides, a minus b whole square you can write a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to 4 square. A square plus b square keep in this side and minus 2ab transfer right side. Minus 2ab change into plus 2ab. A square plus b square is equal to 4 square is equal to 16 plus 2 into in place of ab put here 5. 2 into 5 10. A square plus b square is equal to 16 plus 10 is equal to 26. This is the answer of question number first given in the question. Question number 13. If a square minus 5a minus 1 is equal to 0 and a is equal to not 0. Find first number question a minus 1 by a, second number a plus 1 by a, third number a square minus 1 by a square. You have given a square minus 5a minus 1 is equal to 0. First divide each term by a. Here a square by a minus 5a by a minus 1 by a is equal to 0 by a. You can write 0 here. Now a and square cancel, a and a cancel. You will get here a minus 1 by a is equal to 5. Answer of the first number question. Second number question, how you will find? You know the formula a plus b, a plus b. In place of b you have given 1 by a plus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 4. You can write according to formula. You first write the formula and put the value which is given in the question. A plus 1 by a whole square minus, in place of a minus 1 by a is equal to 5. Put the value 5 here and on squaring on the 5 is equal to 4. Now a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 5 is minus 5 square. You can write 25. Change the side. You can write here plus 25. A plus 1 by a is equal to plus minus square root 29. Two values of a plus 1 by a, plus square root 29 and minus square root 29. Third number question, you have given a square minus 1 by a square is equal to, you can write according to formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. In place of b write here a square, means a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. A plus a you have given a plus minus 29. You have a plus 1 by a, you have given plus minus 29. In place of a plus b put plus minus square root 29 into a minus b. You have given 5 into 5 is equal to plus minus 5 square root 29. This is answer of this question. Next exercise, first of all you will study the expansions of a plus minus b whole cube. It is formula. First number, you can expand a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b bracket close. Expansion of this formula a plus b whole cube. Now a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b bracket close. Given in the book, you will learn the formula, study the formula and solve next exercise given in your book. Exercise 4b. Exercise 4b. First number question, find the cube of. Sub question 1, 3a minus 2b you have given in the question. How you will find the cubing of this given question. 3a minus 2b whole cube is equal to, according to formula, expand this one, 3a whole cube minus 2b whole cube minus 3ab, 3 into, in place of ab write here 3a into 2b, here 3a, you in place of a you can write here 3a, and in place of 2b write here, in place of b write here 2b. According to formula, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. According to the formula, put the value in place of a and b here. 3a whole cube, you can write here 3a into 3a into 3a 3 times. It means 27a cube minus 2b into 2b into 2b 3 times. You will get here 8b cube minus 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 2, 18. A into b write here ab, bracket 3a minus 2b is equal to 27a cube minus 8b cube minus into plus, change into minus, 18 into 3, 54a square b, minus into minus plus, 18 into 2, 36 ab into b, ab square. Arrange the number according to serial number. 27a cube minus 54a square b plus 36ab square minus 8b cube. This is the sequence of the answer of this question. Homework: do exercise 4a and b.